Hi, good evening. It's Sunday night, and I wanted to just make a video regarding my thoughts on TOVX stock. It's one of my last holdings of my small portfolio, but it's an interesting company. The first thing I'd like to say is that I do these YouTube videos to draw out people that have opinions, people that are invested in the stock just as I am. I'd like to talk to you about one person who calls me on a regular basis, and I consider him my friend at this point. He is on StockTwits, and he's called ex-Wall Street CFO. Number one, I want to confirm to you that he is indeed an ex-Wall Street CFO of a market-making company. His insights have really brought new interest to me in terms of what could possibly be, which is what the stock market is all about. Now let's get to it. Where is the stock going to go, and what is its worth right now? I've been saying that this stock should have been trading at $7 minimum. I really believe that $18 or $19 minimum without calculating any news. If you calculate news into it, I think it should be $70. Now, how many shares do I think are outstanding? With the two offerings and what I believe happened when we were up around $7, I believe Shallcross sold into it. I think we've got a float of about 7.5 to 8 million shares based on my calculations. Now, what's the future? What kind of news can we expect? Number one, some investigative reporting has revealed that the C. diff project at Washington University has stopped. And it stopped because they claim there's a lack of money. It's still going well, from what I understand from some investigative reporting. The safety of it was excellent. The results of the Phase 2B were excellent. So it's just a matter of selling that off or getting some more money to continue the results. We're waiting for the results of the VCN trial. Again, some investigative reporting says that 90% has been effective with that. Again, investigative reporting. There's some starting of Phase 3 most likely in Spain and the United States. Why has the price dropped? I did some research on that. It seems like there's a university out in Southern California, which may be the competition in terms of cancer. But from what I understand, that drug won't be out until about 3 years. If I can find the link, I will post it. So I like C. diff, and that's why I bought the stock. And I hope that TOVX, theriva Biologics, sticks with it, because it's not good to put all your eggs in one basket. Let's say that there is competition in the cancer drug, and what are we going to do if, it knocks VCN out? We need C. diff. We need the work that's been done on the biome. So putting your eggs all in one basket is not sensible. What I think should happen is they continue their studies on the biome, communicate better with stockholders, show respect for retailers, and raise more capital. What's the motivation behind Shallcross? What is he trying to say by doing back-to-back offerings? Is he trying to scare us, or is he trying to say, I need money desperately? His actions say that. His actions show desperation. But that is not what I would consider Shallcross to be all about. He's pretty calm and he's secretive. And he might be a little tricky too. So I'm going to bet that he's not that desperate for capital. Because based on what I think the float is, it came because they raised capital. I think he raised about $21 million with not even this new offering coming, but with the past offerings. So that's my opinion on that. And again, it's my opinion. How many shares are outstanding? We talked about. And if we have raised a good amount of money, if he plays his cards right, he can raise even more. Because people are not going to move away from this stock if they start to see an increase in the price, if they start to see some stability, if they start to see some communication out of Shallcross. Anyway, I wish everyone the best of luck. Start to use your psychology on this stock. Start to use your psychology on all the stocks. Just remember, the stocks, all stocks that were risky, dropped like a rock, except for tech. Tech is working with the government, and part of our government is a little corrupt. All they want to do is control us. When did that happen? All stocks dropped in 2021 when Biden took office. So who should you vote for? That's your decision. But I'm voting for Trump. It's not about us making money. It's about maintaining a country that's competitive and maintaining a stock market that's fair. Mark from newsweed.com, wishing you all the best on a Sunday night. See you soon.